Yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.
Tēnei whakataitai whakamutunga. Te whainara I waenganui I ēnei kapaerua o Westlake rāua ko hamutana mō ngā kōtiro.
Yeah, obviously Bronwyn with the Lake, you know, her daughter is a prominent figure in wāhine basketball, Penina Davidson.
Oh, we are underway, folks. What a battle we've got in front of us. Oh. And the way she's played, we've actually abbreviated her to EK because we had to keep saying MK. She's so involved in the game, boys. We had to go to EK.
Well, only the good players get nicknames.
As we see young Kopu with the floater to answer for Hamilton girls, as we see a middle on-ball Futu in Moores as Futu with the Kirikiriroa.
Not necessarily designed to get a steal, just to slow things down already from these girls who they're going to try and get out and run in defense.
How quick was that there?
It's express pace, you're so right, JT. Moving the ball with ease, and the pass is always quicker than the player, isn't it?
Oh, for sure. As we see Kasia just probing. Kasia gave it up. Oh, he's number 22.
The lungs might be burning already in this one.
Yeah, like it is a long tournament. You think about it, this is game number 8 for these Kōrero. The 2-3 playoff, that's 9 games in 6 days. So it is a long grilling competition as, you know, the bodies are feeling it. And early on, the Lake have kind of caught fire, but you know, you look at their results compared to Hamilton, the results of like they've probably been able to play their bench a lot more through the tournament, so a little bit more fresh in the legs.
3K Schroeder is back, she is here. Kuru Fifi Toru galore here, this one early, folks.
Yeah, now really kind of putting it to the Hamilton to the sword a little bit early on is Avani Rasmussen with...
Yeah, shout out to Jackson, not with us today. As Kershaw Ryan.
Great work there down low.
Look at them to really contribute in all facets of the stats sheet. You'll be able to go through that, JT, I'm sure, soon, and they'll definitely be a prominent figure.
Yeah, for sure. The offensive two-uppers are important in games like this. And
4-2, 4-3.
That which refers to you've got to get out and get a hand up, and they're a bit slow on that one, resulting in a free for Westlake as we continue on here.
Hey Matua, Neti Ko as well.
Kia ora. Ka pai, only took you a week. Got there.
As Kershaw Ryan, Miringa Orangi there with the fancy dribble and finish at the topper.
Timely basket there from Kasia just to keep this at a 10-point lead. Can we play some defense here? Whakamaru Maru.
Kia kaha. So they really need to pick up and try and gain some confidence, but because they're here for a reason, so they need to start believing in themselves.
This transition basketball from Westlake.
You know, Amani and Katie Morris who are capable at dribbling the ball, and it's just freeing the guards to do whatever they want. As E.K. Schroeder.
There was a man who played for the Detroit Pistons back in the 80s who had that nickname. I can't remember his name.
Vinnie Johnson.
That's right.
Yep.
20 points in 10 minutes. Wow, what a scorer.
And I think what we're seeing here is actually Westlake. And I just think that Westlake are actually playing the game of Hamilton, which they usually play.
Yeah, I think I'm impressed with what Westlake can do. They can play a slow game.
Te kimi pero mo hamutana.
Great outlet there from EK.
Hasn't really got going so far. Teresa Bilardi was so impressive the rest of the tournament. Oh, big steal.
There she is, Bella. Yeah, paira atu te mahi o Bella.
Mo te whānau kei te kainga mātiki mai ana, ko te steel tērā kia ne he whānako, he tāhaira ne. Tepe whakamuri. Wawa kupu katoa rite tonu, rawa mo tēnei tā o te defense.
Oh, Rasmussen playing the point guard.
Wow, waikato, engari, te ahua nei ai. If we do, there's going to be a first, I think.
Yeah, right, Mātua, is it? Oh, EK.
Assists for Westlake to only 4 turnovers. So that's a big telling stat in this game.
We might have a Parahi type performance, you reckon?
Yeah.
Grayson Parahi in the Tauranga game. What was her stat like?
Defense.
Pakete.
Yeah, Carton are quite renowned for her offensive presence, but you saw a lot down there on defense, and look, they're off. Fotu unselfish to Carton there.
Hamilton to the sword here in this second quarter, and we still have 7 minutes to play. Oh, wow.
What can't she do? Carton there. Ooh.
Te ngaru iti, microwave. Kei tikiti tēnei kōtiro, e tino aro ana I te taha ārai. And staying in front, we saw throughout this week her get to the hole at ease, but not today for Teresa.
And here is where Hamilton really need to get back in the game. Looking to run as Nordstrom. No good. Baladi. No foul call, but Baladi sticks with it. As Katie Moore's etahi atu paraka. She's having a bit of a paraka party.
Westlake girls just play at a pace that's just unseen, unheard of.
Great defense and just out and running.
Turns the favour.
There we go, those active hands from Kasia, and we've got Baladi here, and is that going to be the start? Is that going to be what gets her going? Westlake are getting multiple opportunities, securing the offensive tūrapa. You know how that goes a long way to winning the game, if you can get more opportunities to score. Basic maths, fellas.
Tika.
As we see a great outlet from Lily Futu. Like, even though there's been a little bit more foul calls in this game, it is still very fast.
Centre dribbling the ball like a guard, so they've got many options to break that. Press. Oh, might have got away with the travel there.
Just looking around to say, hey, I was fouled, but young... Oh, Waitohi Burgess there. Brought some energy to this Waikato team as Rasmussen.
Crowd reception here for both of these teams. We've got Westlake flags.
Aroha, engari ka mau te tūrapa whai piro.
I can't believe we've got less than a minute left in this first half, gentlemen. It's blown by.
Tika. Nā te mea he pai. Ka pai tēnā mahi.
Mātua?
E mohe anau ko Waitera whānau. I know who they are, but they wouldn't know me.
I don't know.
As we see the spin move down low, unfortunately karekau. Koe anō, ko hariki ngā reihi.
Yes, Nordstrom with a paraka. Oh, and great finish. Katie Moores with 12 rebounds, the 7 offensive tūrapa. But it's the shooting percentage, 48% from Westlake to 37 from Hamilton girls. And
more pace somehow.
Yeah, exactly. Kei te tika hoki tēnā kororo hoa. I ētahi wā, me waiho te papa mā ki raro. So sometimes you've just got to put the whiteboard down and actually go out there and execute and run.
Sahara Katine on the biggest stage. Oh, Katie Moore's got open there on that little double elevator screen on the wing as Māori Rasmussen. Bit of a block party for the Twin Towers.
And
from Kasia.
Still just somehow finds its way into Māori Rasmussen's lap.
Ono te kauma, ono ki te toru te kauma waru. So it's getting a bit of a bigger gap as we see Amani Rasmussen to Katine.
Katine, she's been consistent. Just as we mentioned earlier, he ngaru iti, bit of a microwave, comes out hot.
A nice find there. Riley Sinau is powerhouse.
Yeah, and then obviously Charlotte Matson as she gets hurt. She has put together a very nice game. 8.7 rebounds off the bench for Westlake. So it's not just their stars stepping up as Keisha Miringa-Orangi.
Bit of momentum here for Hamilton girls. Looking for Kershaw. Ryan could be on here.
Tā pai, makapapa.
And obviously we went through Mum's accolades earlier, so great genetics. I'm jealous.
As we see Kātene playing off two.
Teka, Ahitereiria.
Eden Park whānau.
Fortress.
But we're tuned in for these great kemu as...
Yeah, we've weathered the storm here in Palmerston North. It's been raining outside, but so what, yeah, we've got a storm being weathered here inside, and that is just what Hamilton need.
Just the ball movement. And the girls knowing where people are, and then obviously just being relentless on the offensive tūrapa has Westlake now up to 25 offensive tūrapas, which is massive to come here. It is a big feat.
Yeah, you think about it, accommodation, food, getting from A to B, all that stuff, you know, there's a lot of behind the scenes work done here.
And again, the tūrapa whaipuro.
I just think overall the 18 assists to 11 turnovers ratio is pretty good, but they have generated 8 steals, 8 blocks, so defensively it's not just been one. As we see Kātene on the break, just missing the rei there, going a little bit too fast, was a little bit off, as Hamilton haven't seen them do this enough. I'm happy I got my facts right. 12 for Māoriho High School, which is the second leading kura.
Kātene, kuru whiwhi toru. Nationals, they talk about that with such pride, and I think it was you, Mātua, said one of your friends reminds you all the time about the championship ring like 30 years later.
That's right, St. John's. He does.
Te kapita or tēnei kapa.
Beautiful moment there too between Nella and Lily Fotu, just getting to
Really good coaches. Now there's good coaches everywhere, and our man JT here is one of those coaches.
As, like you alluded to, tino nui ngā kōtero haere ki Ahitereiria, ki Amerika, ki te Purei, ki te tākaro, poi tukohu.
One to actually make the NBA.
Yep.
I think he did a stint for Portland Trailblazers Summer League.
Here we go, folks.
As we see Aotea Nordstrom. We'll have to fill me in with that one, but I have heard that name before.
Aiden Daly's sister?
Aiden Daly's sister, yeah. You know, 15 Amani Rasmussen, 23 E.K. Schroeder, 14 Lily Fotu. Katie Moores, even though she only had the stars of the Westlake girls just to catch up with her after this. But as Baladi finishes off with a kuru whiwhi toru, yeah, as we see Westlake girls celebrating championship number 4. Te tima wāhine toa, te tima toa o te whakataitai 2025.
Everybody that I know, yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.